Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the colors of a Squarespace Lightbox. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Squarespace, just click on the Create Account option in the upper right corner, and from here you can continue with Google, you can continue with their business or working email. You know what, just click the more options here so that you can continue with Apple, your Facebook, and by following the on-screen instructions, you are all set. Now, once you are here, changing the colors of a Squarespace Lightbox like this one can offer a lot of advantages for enhancing the visual appeal and user experience of your website, because I believe customizing the colors of a Lightbox to match your brand's color scheme ensures consistency across your website. Now, this reinforces your brand identity and creates a cohesive look and feel that resonates with visitors. Now, using colors strategically in the Lightbox can create visual impact and draw attention to important content like this one within the pop-up window. For example, you can use a different color for the headline or CTA or a call to action button to make them more noticeable and encourage user interaction. And of course, customizing the colors of a Lightbox enables you to tailor the user experience to match your audience preferences or the specific context of the content. Now, for you to be able to change the colors of a Squarespace Lightbox, you need to access the custom CSS. And for you to be able to do that, you need to go to in the left side panel of your dashboard, just hover to the utilities, and under that click on the website tools, and there you have it. We can access the custom CSS. Now from here, just delete all the CSS code that you already put in, and we need to generate a new one. But first we need to get to the basic function of the Lightbox. Just click on edit and search for a Lightbox right here. You can add a block. That one, right click on it and just go to design option, and as you can see, the option for the Lightbox is not ticked. And once you're here, you can use the option for the Lightbox theme such as dark overlay or light overlay right here. Okay, now once you do that, for us to be able to create or change the colors of here, we need to go again to the custom CSS, but we need to save this one. Click on exit, and we need to go and paste a custom code here for the Lightbox. Now, not only you can edit the Lightbox, you can also add the section, or specifically now the next option that you can do is add another section right here, and click on the images, and from here you can choose the section that you wanted. Say for example this one, and for you to be able to custom and change the colors, just click on save, and we need to go to our CSS editor, click on exit, and from here just paste all these options that you can, so you can change the color or the background color of your gallery, right? It's a very straightforward process. And if you encounter any problems with the codes, make sure that the syntax is correct. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.